They're still okay. They're, oops. Hi friends, and welcome to another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Veronica and I'm a TV presenter, and I love fashion and luxury, and I'm trying to find new brands and discovering different ways of how to kind of like zhuzh up my style. And I hope you will come along on this journey with me, and of course welcome to our YouTube family. All right, so I had my eye on this Balmain necklace for about a month. I wasn't sure if it's worth the hefty price tag because, of course, there are no superior materials in it. There's no gold, no diamonds, nothing like that. This is how it usually goes with high-end designer jewelry, costume jewelry. And, you know, I will show you some of the pieces I had for quite a long number of years now, and they still look good. So it's definitely not money down the drain. But, you know, if you consider how much some of these pieces actually cost, you could actually get like real diamonds and real gold for that kind of money. But it's just the statement that I'm looking for. And this is one of the main reasons why I do love costume jewelry from certain brands, not all of it. Without further ado, let's see this baby. So I got it about a week ago. So this is my attempt, my clumsy attempt of filming this and opening it with one hand. But you know, the main purpose of this is for you to see how it actually arrives. And this box was pretty big. I did not expect the box to be that big. So before I actually show you the original Balmain necklace, I'm gonna talk you through this one. Because of the price tag, I wanted to make sure that this is the necklace that I will actually use, that it's not gonna be just for, you know, occasional red carpet and things like that, because I believe that if I spend a lot of money on an item and I wear it a lot of times throughout the year, for me this is justifiable, and I'm pretty sure a lot of us are thinking like this, especially the ones who are buying luxury items. You always have to kind of justify it to yourself, and for me, if I wear it enough, then the price tag is okay. So I wasn't sure if this necklace will be as versatile as I was hoping that it will be. So what I did was I tried to find something similar online for a lot less, obviously, and just try it out, just try it and wear it and see if this is actually part of my regular style and wardrobe. And you know, obviously I'm not going to go to work with this kind of necklace, but I do go to a lot of events, and you know, even just going out for dinner, this necklace will work. So I actually found this one on AliExpress, and this is the necklace I will be giving away in this video. But sadly, because I cannot give you a receipt for it because I'm not selling it, I can only ship it to you if you are inside of European Union. For all of you who are not in European Union and would want this, just follow me on Instagram, hit me up in DMs, and you know, I will try and find it and send you a link so you can order it for yourself. So this is the necklace on, and this one was from AliExpress. It's the exact Balmain style but smaller. You see later the original is much bigger, but the style is the same. It's the same kind of stones, but this is plastic, obviously. It's adjustable, so you can put it either like I did here, or you put it lower, whatever is your preference. And it's a lovely little necklace for any kind of events you want to go to. Like I said, it's not my style for work, but this one, because it's smaller, might actually work for work. It has a really long chain. So if you want this one, I'm gonna do a draw from all your messages, and I'm gonna send it to one of you. Just keep it in mind, please, that I cannot send it outside of European Union. So good luck. So we are finishing up the unboxing, and you can see it comes with a nice box. We pay particular attention to the materials we choose, which must meet high quality standards. It says more, but I like this, that it has to meet high quality standards. And from the first look of this, it definitely does. You ready? You can see the difference immediately in size. I'm gonna show you the other one in comparison. So you can see the original is much bigger than this one. So the first thing we have to do is get rid of the tag, of course. So this one has, oh, there's another tag here. You can see immediately that the chain on the original Balmain is much shorter, and there are more stones in the row. And at the back here, it says Balmain. And this is the only place where you can see that this is a designer necklace. When you wear it, unless somebody knows that it's Balmain, it just looks like any other necklace. So every stone moves, as you can see, so it's very flexible. When you hold it in your hand, it is a bit heavy, but not too heavy, and you can definitely feel and see the quality materials all over it. It's very sparkly, and I intend to wear this with dresses mostly, but even with this satin blouse, it looks fantastic. But you can see the difference now why I would not go to work like this. This is definitely more of an evening / event wear necklace. So while I was still having the dupe necklace, I realized that I will definitely wear this. So this is the reason why I actually went for the original one. This is definitely a great buy, and I just hope it will, you know, stay in my collection for years to come and not gonna scratch or ruin or anything like that. But for now, you know, obviously I haven't worn it yet outside because it just arrived, but I think it looks pretty cool. This is the necklace I plan to wear with the self-portrait green dress that I was wearing in the Oscars fashion video, but sadly it hadn't arrived yet. I think this will look amazing with that previous dress. So I have a few Chanel costume jewelry pieces, and I think my favorite ones are these earrings. I had those for years now and they're still okay. They're, oops. I have a few Chanel costume jewelry pieces. One of my favorite ones are definitely these dangly earrings. I had those for many years and they still look good. I do keep them in a box in my jewelry drawer so they're not exposed to sunlight when I'm not wearing them. And because they're not, of course, real gold, I know they're gonna start change color eventually, but because this is not a bag where you touch it all the time, this will last me longer. I'm definitely happy with these earrings. And this was the style that I was hunting down for quite a long time before I found them, because this was apparently like a gift to customers or something. You couldn't see them in any of the boutiques, but then finally an essay in Venice helped me and we managed to track them down. My favorite part of Chanel costume jewelry is without a doubt their brooches. I stay away from any kind of brooch that has pearls in it because I had one and pearls were falling out like crazy. And you know, I heard from many other either people in my real life or other YouTubers complaining about pearls falling out of Chanel brooches. So I kind of kept to the solid ones. These ones I have the stud earrings as well in this kind of style, and this one is just a smaller one, and this one has stones all along the edge of the brooch, but this is easily fixable with your local jeweler, so I didn't mind that. All of the stones are still in there, and I had these brooches for a long time now too. So you know, it is good quality, even though it is costume jewelry, even though it's not gold. For me, at least the pieces I have, it kind of held. Talking about Chanel, in case you haven't read it, in the WWD magazine, there was an interview with Bruno Pavlovsky, which is like one of the heads of Chanel. It's hard to say this with a straight face, but he actually justified another price increase that's coming soon to Chanel icons like Double Flap, is that Chanel is great investment. I don't even know where to begin how wrong this statement is. First of all, we who buy luxury have been excusing ourselves with this particular line for probably decades now. It's okay, I can pay that much because I can sell it for more. And even if you remember, Chanel is very aggressive with suing some of the pre-loved sites. I think there was like I'm gonna try to find the article, but I think there were some lawsuits with Real and somebody else. So Chanel was trying to prevent this pre-loved market idea, this resale of their bags, and yet now they're saying, oh, it's a good investment. Yes, but if you're going to sue everybody who's selling your bags, it's not a good investment because you cannot sell it unless you sell it to your friends or something. But it's just it's just mind-blowing how stupid that sentence is. I stepped away from Chanel a while ago, so you know, it doesn't affect me anymore. You can do with your prices whatever you want. I'm not buying your bags anymore. I'm done. But you know, I still love the bags I have. Obviously, I'm still going to use my Chanel bags. But yeah, I don't see myself buying anything for the foreseeable future. Do you have any of the designer costume jewelry? How is your holding up? Is in good shape? Do you still wear it? Or do you think it's like the question of the moment? that you buy something and then you wear it for a while and then you put it in your drawer and forget about it, because with me it's definitely not like that. So I want to hear what you think and what your experience with costume jewelry is. So have a lovely day and I will see you in the next video.